So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about artificial intelligence. And so first, have you ever wondered how ChatGPT answer your questions, and how Netflix recommendations movies, or how Google Maps find the fastest route from you? Okay, so there is a lot of things, and the technology behind all of this is called artificial intelligence, or what we can say AI. So in this video, you will learn about what is AI, how it's work, and what is the different types of AI, real world examples, and what is the advantage and limitation of this artificial intelligence, or we call us AI. Okay. So by the end of this video, you will be solid understanding of AI, even if you are the complete beginner. So let's discuss what is AI. So AI, first we learn the definition. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machine to mimic human intelligence. Means artificial intelligence वहाँ चीज़ होती है जिसमें कि आप कंप्यूटर्स और मशीन वहाँ टास्क करते हैं जो एक ह्यूमन के इंटेलिजेंस के हिसाब से करते हैं, राइट? कि जिस तरह इंसान सोचता है उस हिसाब से अब मशीनें भी सोचेगी, कंप्यूटर भी सोचेंगे, वो भी सीखेंगे, उस हिसाब से वो क्या करते हैं, वो भी थिंक करते हैं और अपने टास्क को कंप्लीट करते हैं। तो ये क्या करती है कि पहले लर्न वो सीखती भी हैं, थिंक भी करती हैं, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व भी करती हैं और उसके हिसाब से डिसीजन भी क्रिएट करती हैं, राइट? सो दिस टास्क इंक्लूड व्हाट लर्निंग फ्रॉम द डाटा. Okay, so this is the learning from the data, understanding the information from the machines or whatever the data you have. They can solve the problems. Okay, also create or make the decisions according to the data they have. And also the image, they can recognize the image or speech, and they can take or create the decision and take action. Okay, so this is what artificial intelligence. Think of AI is a software that can I learn from the experience instead of following only fixed instruction. So for example, instead of telling computers every single rule of identifying this is the picture of cat. Okay, so this is the picture of cat, like that example. And uh, we train it using thousands of cats images. Eventually it's learn the pattern and recognize cats on its own. Okay, so they can we can train this AI using the thousands or millions of data we can provide that's AI, and they can train accordingly. Okay, so now we understand what is AI. Now we came to the history of AI. What is the history of AI? So it's officially began in 1956. That's era we can call as the birth of AI. Okay, where one conference is called Dartmouth Conference, so where the first time artificial intelligence terms occur. Okay, so in 1980s, so researchers built expert system. Okay, so in this they can use the predefined rules to solve the problems. Here they can provide the predefined rules to solve the specific problem. So in 2000, there one term came into picture is called machine learning. So instead of programming every rules, so in this era computer started learning directly from data. So there the in 2000 the term came to picture is called machine learning. Then came to the deep learning in 2010. Okay, so using neural networks, they can inspired from the human brain, and then they created or build the system called deep learning. And in today we are in the era of generative AI. Okay, where models like ChatGPT can generate text, images, code, and much more. Okay, so this is what the history of AI came into picture. Now we have the types of AI. How many types? So there is a three type of AI we are categorized. One is the narrow AI. Narrow AI is this is AI we use every day. Okay, so it perform one specific task very well. Means this AI we can build according to only a specific task or a single task. Like example, we can include for the Google Translate. Okay, so in Google Translate they can only translate the language from one language to another language. They cannot perform any other task. Okay, like second we use the face recognition. They can only recognize the face. Okay, so after that we came into the general AI. What is the mean of general AI? General AI means machine that can perform any intellectual task like humans. Okay, means general AI would be able to perform any intellectual tasks that can human do. Like it does not exist yet, but researchers are actively working toward it. So this is like similar to human. Okay, and the third one is the super AI. This is the theoretical concept for now, where AI becomes more intelligent than human in every area. So currently, it's exists only in science fiction and research discussion only. So this is not currently exist in our world. So this is only the fictions thing. Okay. Now the fourth topic is about how AI works. Okay. Now let's understand the AI workflow. First, we first the collect data. So what happening? Everything start with data. Okay, for example, images, text, videos, audios, and the customer information. So the more quality data an AI has, it's better can learn. Means फर्स्ट पहली बार अपने पास होना चाहिए डाटा कि डाटा क्या है. अगर हमारे पास सही डाटा होगा तो एआई लर्न भी अच्छा करेगा और वो रिस्पॉन्स भी उतना ही अच्छा देगा. ओके, सेकंड आता है ट्रेनिंग. ट्रेनिंग क्या होता है? ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग द AI analyze the data and looks for pattern. Means they can train through the data, so they can check the patterns for that. Like for instance, if we saw thousands of dog photos, so it begin learning what dogs look like. Okay, so this is what we can training model. And the third one is called build the model. Build the model, like after training, then AI creates a model where we can store the data, where we can store the data that's AI learn. Means whatever the data it can train, they can learn in here, and they can create one model. It's called AI model. Okay, and after that prediction, means they can learn data. Okay, they can train and they can store their data according to, they can predict the next decision, what happening next. So now model can analyze the new information and make prediction and decision for that. Okay, after that the improvement means they can learn from the responses or the user feedback. Okay, when more data become available, the model can retain to improve its accuracy over a time. So this is what we can say how AI works. Now we can check what is AI versus traditional programming. Okay, let's compare AI with traditional programming. So in traditional programming, input plus rules equals to output. Human write every rule. Okay, so for example, if temperature is about 30 degree, turn off the fan. Like this is the rule we can create. Like machine learning works differently. Means it input, this is what the traditionally programming. Okay, like this is the machine learning how they can work. Okay, so input plus model equals to sorry, input plus output is equal to model. Here what we can say output, here what we can say model. So what happening? So instead of writing rules manually, we provide examples and the computer learns the rules automatically. Okay, so that makes AI so powerful. Means here only they can learn from the data and they can decide accordingly. Here what we can say, here we are predefine the rules. So this is the difference between AI versus traditional programming. So like example, real world example, like AI is already part of your daily life. Okay, so like some example includes, so ChatGPT, what ChatGPT? So ChatGPT helps answer question and generate content. So currently we are using ChatGPT like to writing codes and all of these things. And self driving car. Okay, self-driving car, what do you mean? So like self-driving car like detects the road, like traffic sign and obstacles. So this is what the example of AI. And what is Netflix? Netflix, you can like daily show movies based on your viewing history. The recommendation, what we can say, like the Google Maps, they can show you the fastest route. Okay, and the face recognition. So this is like you unlock your smartphone. This is where we can use identity verification. Okay, like the last one is voice assistant. Means Siri or Alexa is the best example of AI right now. Okay, so every one of this system uses AI behind the scenes. So this is the real world example we are using in our daily life. Okay, like what is the advantage of AI? Advantage of AI means because it's offer many benefits as well as is there is limitation. So what is advantage? Automation means it automates the repetitive task again and again. Okay, fast decisions means it's make decision much faster than human. Got it. Like what is 24 into 7 availability? Means like it's work 24 hours a day without getting tired because it's a machine, not a human being. Okay. And what is high accuracy? Accuracy means it's improve accuracy in many applications. Okay, like they can provide the faster result, eh, and the accurate result because they are trying to learn from the responses. Okay, and what is increased productivity? Increased productivity means they can like we can use this AI to our businesses and individuals. For currently we are using what we can say cloud or chat GPT for writing the codes, so it's like increased productivity. In previous we are like doing one task in a day, but now it's like take only 5 or 10 minutes to do. So this is what the advantage of AI. But uh, so there is some limitation from AI. So despite its power, like AI has some limitation. Okay, it requires large amount of high quality data. Means if your data is good, so the response of the AI is better. So they need like large data to train them. Okay, and the second one is if the data contain bias, the AI can produce biased result. Means the data is like wrong, so the result produce may be wrong. And what is expensive training means? So training advanced AI models can be expensive and require significant computing powers. The training is very expensive. So no human emotions. So like it's a machine. So emotion are not in the AI. Okay. So now like what happening? So we can take a key takeaway. So to summarize, artificial intelligence enables computers to learn data and make intelligent decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. Okay, so what happening? So today AI powered tools like ChatGPT, recommendation systems, navigation app, and voice assistant. So as AI continue to evolve, so understanding its fundamentals, it become like an increasingly valuable skill. Okay, because like make intelligent decisions without needing its explicit instruction for every situation. So this is what we can say AI. Okay, so it's if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is starting their AI journey. In the next video, we will cover machine learning basics and explore how machine actually learn from the data. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you, guys.